Thank you. This is Lemon Cans and Charisma. Thank you for sending. I have to get them for $1.50 where I'm at, so that's why. If I'm ever able to get them from Home Depot, I do, and they're only $2. But my Home Depot does not stock up like y'all's do. That's why I have to pay more. These came from Target and Walmart. Should we do the fake rinse inside the tote? Or no, I don't have nowhere to put the powder. It really does. You're welcome. Yeah, if I get them, my chat can vouch for me that if I get them from Lowe's or Home Depot, which my Lowe's has only had 2 batches in since Christmas, that I charge $2 for them. My prices jump back and forth, but recently I've just accepted that I'm gonna have to do them for $2.50 because I get them for more most of the time than I'm able to get them from Home Depot. Like right now, I could order some through the website, but it's only 20 of them, so. This consistency is very different from regular. I mean, I know it only has a little bit of charisma in it, but it made it really soft. I love that. And thank you to the person that sent that 20. That was really nice of you. And Brittany, thank you for helping. Thanks to everybody that helped. Thank you for the can, Michelle. Should we just do the fake rinse in the tote, you guys? No, probably not. No, we're going to do the sink. I've made my mind up. I'm thinking I got to go get Lily before too long anyways. Anybody's allowed to contribute to that as well. We can add powders in the fake rinse if you guys want to. Who doesn't love a mountain of powder? Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, Comet's cheaper than Ajax. Ajax here's $1.75. That too, Steve. I love Mountain Dew. Prices are different for everybody everywhere. That's okay, boo. Have fun. Yes, we're making recycled. Do you think we need more cans, or should I just let it dry out, you guys? More cans or what? Couple more. I mean, honestly, it would still dry, but I'll add more. Trust me, I've had to learn. I didn't know what I was doing at the beginning, and I would just get it like cakey and let it dry, and it would dry. All right. So we're going to use 5 out of the 20 that was sent to add 2 more cans, and we'll see what that does. I was trying to save some for the fake rinse. You guys, does anybody else want to help out with the fake rinse? Do what, Jersey? Yeah, it still needs more, to be fair. What do you mean what's left? We have plenty of stuff, baby doll. It's kind of whatever you want. Alright, we're going to add 2 more. It's kind of whatever you want, my love, to add. This smells so motherfucking good. Oh, there's plenty. We have lemon. I have 2 different. I have $7 lemon Lysol, $9 lemon Lysol. We have green Ajaxes. I do have pink Penalin. I sure do. And I'm so glad I was able to make this into recycled. Who is that?
Yo, mama.
Damn. I do have pink. Did they say pine? What did you just eat? I could tell. That's how much I know you. I knew you just fucking ate. And you didn't ask me if I wanted something? That's messed up. Okay, sorry, you guys. Did she ask for pine Penalin or pink Penalin? My bad. Pine. I think I have 1 downstairs and that's it. But yes, I do. I'll have to go down there and get it for you, boo, and I don't mind. Or I'll have Dusty do it for not getting me a burger. Good, maybe we can really go cash in this time.
I'll get a copy of them and then take them to the bank.
No, it's okay. Do you know on the,
There's something just think weird about that. I don't remember.
Yeah, you're not listening to me when I told you they were sketchy already.
I know, they put a sad story on the day.
You did?
No, they did.
What?
We made him like family. We made
Oh my
brownies for his birthday and
yeah, to get us to sit inside. Oh my God, what a sad, pathetic situation there
oh,
that
I know.
is.
It was everything I could not to just jump up and be like,
Hush, don't. Well, I didn't want you to say nothing aggressive or like violent.
oh yeah.
Stop. No, it's fucked up how they try to play it off. When we told them that you just couldn't sit in there and eat dinners. You had to go out there and work. They didn't care. And they made the comment that they wanted you to look out for them in the long run. They knew exactly what they were doing. And I told you that.
That's what the DA said to me. He said, number one thing, they didn't give you all the half up front. That should have told you right there. It's only getting $5,000 up front. And then I guess they wrote a $2,000 one, a $300 one, a $400 one, and a $500 one. But I don't remember any of that. I really don't remember those. So I just admitted to it.
That's stupid. Wow, good job.
Well, no, like my lawyer said, if I can prove that the checks are not real, that they just made it up. But the bank sent it to the courts.
So you obviously...
They obviously got cashed. Yes. But I swear to you, I don't remember them ever giving me any money.
How much?
The first check.
The pineal is $3, boo. Dusty, on the breaker downstairs, go grab that pineal, please. I didn't even know it was down there until yesterday. And it's $3, boo. Does anybody else want to help contribute to the fake rents? We have $5 still left from my twin last night. She told me to use it towards this, and we have $5 left over, I think, from the person that sent the 20. Because I think I've added in 6. I'm gonna have to go in and count them. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I did 2, 2, 2, right? Or no? On the breaker box. Didn't I just add 2, 2, and 2? Not Steve saying I wish I could fake contribute to the fake rents. That's wild, Granddaddy. That's wild work there. Yeah, we're just going to let it dry out. It won't take long to dry out, you guys. And, like, here in a minute, I'm going to slide this outside and let it dry. I'm not adding no more cans to this when I know it'll dry. Thank you. I only have one, though, Jersey. So what other $3 product would you like, boo? Are you going to work? I have extra fabric softener, too. Pink, okay. Thank you, boo. No, those people were literally trying to fuck Dusty from the beginning. The woman's statements were just too obvious of it. No, this was the charisma and the lemon combo from last night. You're right. It is. I got the 6. Thank you, boo. Yes, ma'am. I got it. Thank you, love. Yes, I got it. Thank you, babe.